There is currently no cure for PCOS, but diet and medical treatment can help manage weight, glucose levels, and other features and complications. Opting for healthy fats, lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables may help reduce the risk of PCOS or manage its symptoms. Meanwhile, it is best to avoid a few food items for PCOS management. Foods that trigger inflammatory process, which disturb hormonal levels and raise blood sugar levels, are the worst foods for PCOS. Here is a list of foods to avoid during PCOS. Coffee and caffeinated drinks. Coffee has caffeine and its consumption raises estrogen hormone. In PCOS, hormone levels are already disturbed. An increased amount of coffee intake can further complicate the condition. It is best advised to avoid coffee and caffeinated drinks. Number 2. Dairy products. Milk has some chemicals that increase estrogen level in body. Increase in estrogen levels can lead to severe PCOS. Milk and milk products like cheese, yogurt, ice creams, and even ghee should be avoided. Alcohol. Some doctors ask completely to avoid alcohol if you have PCOS. Alcohol consumption can increase in the levels of testosterone hormone and disturb the hormones required for ovulation. It lowers blood sugar levels, leading to increase of food cravings and resulting in weight gain. This can also cause nutritional deficiency in some people. It can also trigger migraines in females, so it is best to avoid alcoholic drinks. Now, with the help of this video, you know what foods you must avoid. Hope you like this video. For more health related content, subscribe to thehealthsite.com.